You got a door that's rubbing on the floor. It's stiff, rubbing on the bottom, and we take a step back, we see that we are tight at the top, open at the bottom. We need to pivot this door, closing up that bottom gap, but keeping the top where it's at. I'm going to show you a really easy trick you've probably never heard before, and you don't actually even need a power tool for this. Warrior House DIY, empowering you with skills for life. Make sure to like this video, check out our helpful links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. This is a really simple fix. I always keep a deck of playing cards or extra cardboard in my tool bag at all times, and what we're going to do is shim this hinge out. So we're going to take the hinge, detach it from the door edge as opposed to the jamb side here. We're going to fold up some cardboard or playing cards to create our shims. If you have a third hinge in the middle, you might want to put about half the amount of shimming in that third hinge. And then you can screw right through the cardboard. You don't even have to have a power drill to do this. You could do it with a screwdriver. And look at this. As soon as it's done, the door swings perfectly. Simple trick, doesn't even require any power tools. If your door is rubbing on the top of the frame, you would just reverse this process and shim from the top down. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. If you've gained some value from this video, please give us a like, give us a subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to Warrior House DIY for more tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next video.